Greetings, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to the Daily RV Life channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into, the world of four-season RVs. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting your journey, having a four-season RV is a game-changer when it comes to year-round RV living. When it comes to choosing the perfect recreational vehicle, considering its capability to withstand different weather conditions becomes crucial. A four-season RV, also known as an all-season or winterized RV, is specifically designed to offer improved insulation and protection against extreme temperatures, making it suitable for use in any season. One of the key features of a four-season RV is its superior insulation. These RVs come equipped with enhanced insulation materials to trap heat during winters and keep the interior cool during scorching summers. The walls, floors, and ceilings are layered with insulation to minimize heat transfer, ensuring a comfortable living space regardless of the outside temperature. Moreover, four-season RVs often have double-pane windows that provide better insulation, reduce condensation, and help maintain a consistent interior temperature. These windows also offer improved soundproofing, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful and serene atmosphere on your RV adventures. Another essential aspect of four-season RVs is their advanced interior heating and cooling systems. These RVs feature upgraded furnaces and air conditioners designed to handle extreme weather conditions. With adjustable thermostats and efficient climate control mechanisms, you can easily customize the temperature inside your RV to your liking. Furthermore, all-season RVs usually have additional features such as heated and enclosed underbellies, which protect the water and sewage tanks from freezing in severe cold. This ensures you have a continuous supply of water throughout the year, making winter camping a breeze. In addition to weatherproofing, four-season RVs also offer increased durability. These RVs are often built with stronger materials and have reinforced structures to withstand harsh environments and rough roads. Such construction ensures a safe and reliable journey, giving you peace of mind while exploring remote destinations. As avid RVers ourselves, we cannot emphasize enough the importance of owning a four-season RV. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to embrace all the joys of RV living throughout the year. That's it for today's guide on four-season RVs. We hope this article has shed light on the benefits and essentials of owning one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Daily RV Life channel for more exciting RV content. Until next time, happy RVing!